Welcome to this tutorial on lists in Kotlin. Lists are ordered collections that store multiple values in a specific sequence. They are one of the most commonly used data structures in Kotlin programming. Lists maintain the order in which elements are added, making them perfect for scenarios where sequence matters. Kotlin provides two types of lists. First, we have immutable lists, which are read-only collections. Once you create an immutable list, you cannot add, remove, or modify any elements. This makes them safe for sharing data that shouldn't change. Second, we have mutable lists, which are dynamic collections that allow you to add new elements, remove existing ones, and update values at any time. Choose immutable lists when your data is fixed, and mutable lists when you need flexibility. To create an immutable list, use the listOf function. For example, val fruits equals listOf with the strings apple, banana, and orange creates a read-only list of fruit names. You can also create lists with numbers, like val numbers equals listOf 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If you need an empty list with a specific type, use listOf with angle brackets to specify the type, such as listOf angle bracket string close angle bracket and empty parentheses. Accessing elements in a list is straightforward. You can use square bracket notation with an index, like fruits bracket 0, which returns apple. Remember, list indices start at 0. Alternatively, use the get method, such as fruits.getOne, which returns banana. Kotlin also provides convenient methods like first to get the first element and last to get the final element. These methods make your code more readable and expressive. When you need a list that can be modified, use the mutableListOf function. For example, val tasks equals mutableListOf with the strings code, test, and deploy creates a mutable list of tasks. You can create mutable lists with numbers too, like val numbers equals mutableListOf 1, 2, 3. For an empty mutable list, use mutableListOf with angle brackets to specify the type, followed by empty parentheses. Mutable lists offer several ways to add elements. The add method appends an element to the end of the list. For example, fruits.addOrange adds orange as the last element. To insert an element at a specific position, use add with an index, like fruits.add0, mango, which inserts mango at the beginning. You can also use the plus equals operator as a shorthand, such as fruits plus equals grapes, which appends grapes to the end. Removing elements from mutable lists is equally simple. The remove method deletes a specific value, like fruits.remove banana, which removes the first occurrence of banana. To remove an element at a particular index, use removeAt with the index number, such as fruits.removeAt0. If you want to remove all elements and empty the entire list, call the clear method, like fruits.clear. Let's recap the key points. Use listOf when you need a read-only collection that won't change. Use mutableListOf when you need to add, remove, or modify elements. Remember that lists maintain insertion order, so elements stay in the sequence you added them. Finally, always access list elements by their index, starting from 0. Understanding these fundamentals will help you work effectively with lists in your Kotlin projects.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.